Apple has released two software updates, iOS 14.2 and iPadOS 14.2 for the iPhone and iPad. These are major updates to the iOS 14 and iPadOS 14 operating systems and follow the launch of iOS 14.1 and iPadOS 14.1. Hey guys, what is up? This is Dhruval Patel. Welcome to my channel Technocrat Dhruval. In this video, I will be taking you through the Apple's two major update, which is iOS 14.2 and iPadOS 14.2. So watch this video till the end to know the full details. If you are new to my channel, then please hit the red subscribe button down below and don't forget to hit the notification bell. You can follow me on Instagram at technocrat_Dhruval. So now, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, to avail the amazing benefits of iOS 14.2 and iPadOS 14.2, you need to update your devices. To do this, simply open Settings, then tap General and then Software Update. You will see the available update and option to install it. Now that I assume your devices are updated, let's get started with the details of iOS 14.2 and iPadOS 14.2. First, we will go through all the updates of iOS 14.2. Number 1. Apple has introduced over 100 new emojis which include animals, food, faces, household objects, musical instruments, gender inclusive emoji and much more. Number 2. There are 8 new wallpapers available in iOS 14.2 for dark and light modes. Number 3. Apple has introduced people detection tool. Magnifier can detect people nearby and report the distance using the LiDAR sensor included in iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is incredibly handy during a time when everyone should still be social distancing. Number 4. They have added the support for iPhone 12 leather sleeve with MagSafe. This sleeve is priced at $129 US and will be available in 4 colors introducing Baltic Blue, Pink Citrus, Saddle Brown and Red. Number 5. If you own AirPods, the iOS 14.2 update adds optimized battery charging which slows battery aging by reducing the amount of time they need to fully charge. Number 6. Now the headphone audio level notification will alert you when audio level could impact your hearing. This is awesome as it will help protect your hearing, especially when people nowadays listen to music at high volumes. Number 7. They have introduced new AirPlay controls to stream entertainments throughout your home. Number 8. This update includes support for intercom, which turns the HomePod, HomePod Mini and other devices into intercoms for throughout your home. It lets you send and receive spoken messages throughout HomePod speakers or iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, AirPods and CarPlay. To activate intercom, simply say, "Hey Siri, intercom," followed by your message. You can choose specific HomePods or devices to send a message. Number 9. This update has an ability to connect HomePod to Apple TV 4K for stereo, surround sound and Dolby Atmos audio. Number 10. It has an option to provide statistics about exposure notifications without identifying you to participating public health authorities. Number 11. You get a new music recognition option in Control Center. This integrates the Apple-owned Shazam app in the iOS operating system. Music recognition lets you identify music playing around you, whether in-app or while wearing AirPods. To activate it in Control Center, tap on the Shazam icon. Much easier than asking Siri or opening the Shazam app. You will also see a redesigned Now Playing widget in the Control Center that lists recently played album. AirPlay got a redesign too that makes it easier to simultaneously play music across multiple AirPlay 2 compatible devices. So that's everything from iOS 14.2. Now let's go through the updates of iPadOS 14.2. Number 1. Like iOS 14.2, this update also comes with over 100 new emoji including animals, food, faces, household objects, musical instruments, gender inclusive emoji and much more. Number 2. It comes with 8 new wallpapers in both light and dark mode versions. Number 3. Magnifier can detect people nearby and report their distance using the LiDAR sensor included in iPad Pro 12.9 inch 4th generation and iPad Pro 11 inch 2nd generation. Number 4. Scene detection in camera uses intelligent image recognition to identify objects within a scene and automatically improves the photo on iPad Air 4th generation. Number 5. Auto FPS in camera automatically reduces the frame rate when recording video to improve low light capture and to optimize file size on iPad Air 4th generation. Number 6. Optimized battery charging for AirPods to slow the rate of battery aging by reducing the time your AirPods spends fully charged. Number 7. New AirPlay controls to stream entertainment throughout your home. Number 8. It provides intercom support with HomePod and HomePod Mini using iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, AirPods and CarPlay. Number 9. Ability to connect HomePod to Apple TV 4K for stereo, surround sound and Dolby Atmos audio. So guys, that's all from iOS 14.2 and iPadOS 14.2. Go update your device and enjoy the new features. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, then please feel free to ask in the comments. Like this video and share it with everyone. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please hit the red subscribe button down below and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new video. You can also follow me on Instagram at technocrat_Dhruval. We'll see you guys in the next useful video. Till then, stay safe and stay motivated. Peace.